I've spent the last 5 years learning about copywriting, sales funnels, and lead generation. And I've used that knowledge to set up automated funnels that generate new leads for my business every single day. And now I'm going to use that experience to create $1 million business, helping other business owners and entrepreneurs generate leads using sales funnels. How will I do it from the ground up without any kind of funding or debt? Well, this podcast is going to chronicle the journey so you can follow along. I'm going to share my business experience, advice, and strategies for creating an online empire. My name's Sean Bailey, and this is the Certified Funnel Expert Podcast. Hey there, Sean. Welcome to this episode of the podcast. So, this time I'm broadcasting live from inside my house. Usually I do it when I'm in the car, because I figure if you're driving and you've got that time on your hands, why not do it? So, I'm just actually at a brief break in the moment here where I'm in between doing stuff around the house and making a list, getting ready to go camping, all that kind of stuff. So I just checked off a couple items as far as now it's down to the little things like this door doesn't close properly, or this handle jiggles, or just a bunch of little things to fix around the house. So I've actually checked off a few of those and it feels good. So I'm like, you know what, let's just record today's episode of the podcast while we're on this high note. So feeling good about that, and also some other stuff. I've got some funnel automation that I'm going to set up and kind of put in place as far as some content that's going to be distributed that leads to like a lead generation funnel. So once it goes and actually has some time to be out there, then I'm going to talk more about the results and how that worked out, and what the results of it were, and conversion rates, numbers, all that kind of good stuff, and how it worked out. So yeah, it's been good. I've been kind of in between working on things for, around the house and personal stuff versus, coming up with new ideas and stuff that I want to do, ideas for the business, and also just direction, like what do I want to do with this? Like I've done stuff that I liked, stuff that I didn't really like, stuff that paid well, stuff that didn't pay well. And it's like, where's the lines on like what's good, happy, fun, what I liked, enjoyed doing, and the stuff that, pays well. Cause it's like, even if it pays a lot, excuse me, even if it pays a lot, but you're not happy doing it, then, it's not enjoyable. Even if you think that, oh yeah, I can put up with it, doesn't matter, money, it's all about the money, you'll find out that that's not the case. Trust me, I'm one of those people. I thought that it was like, nope, it doesn't, whatever brings in the dollars, we got to generate cash flow for the business, that kind of thing. But it's like, once you're actually, like what you want to do as far as what you want your business to be, what you want to do as far as, being like a CEO of the business, but, what ultimately, is going to make you happy when you're working, working on your business, being a part of the business, leading the business, that kind of thing. So yeah, it's just taking time to just kind of figure out what I want to do with, the direction that I want to take this. And I definitely want to work more on the front end side of things, the lead generation side of funnels, because I've set up multiple, types of that type of funnel. And always the results usually get better and better. Now I'm at the point with funnels that are converting, on the front end as far as the lead generation over 50%, which is, I don't know, it's kind of really high mark for me. I'm pretty happy with it. But it's been an evolution, right? Even some of the first ones I was happy with, like, okay, this funnel's converting over 10% or over 15%, or oh my God, 20%, right? So it just seems to be kind of what works well for me, what I got a knack for, and what I think I can help businesses with. So lead generation is awesome. Getting people to come in, join your list, and then getting the ones who are ready to buy right away, and then converting the ones who are ready to buy just a little bit down the road. So I feel good about it. I'm happy. So yeah, it's what I've been doing. And now I've just finished making a couple lists as far as getting ready and getting set up here. So the first list is my kind of like automation list, things that I need to do to keep putting out content while I'm going to be away and generating some action for the business. And I think that's going to work really, really good. I'm excited to talk about it once it's done and once it's out there, and the results that it that it gets from me. So the next list is my fun list. So that's everything that I have to get done over the next 36 hours in order to be ready to go camping and go and have fun, right? And it's like, usually most of the stuff involves either my kayak or something to do with the kayak, or my wife's kayak. Yeah, I'm looking at the list and pretty much all of it revolves around that. So because I went and got a newer kayak, a bigger kayak, I had to go and get like these ladder racks for the truck so that I could have it up top versus in the back, because it's too long for that now. So yeah, so that's what I got to do tomorrow. And there's plenty of stuff still, little kind of smaller projects to do around the house. There's gonna be like some more landscaping, but it's good to take on things that are kind of like bigger than you. Things that you can't do. I didn't think I could build a deck. Honestly, I had my doubts. I was just kind of like going along with it until the day came and we had to actually do it. Now, I knew that it was coming, so I learned about it, talked to people, read more about it, watched videos. So when it happened, it went pretty smooth. So yeah, it's all about getting out of your comfort zone, taking action, because when you do something like that and you accomplish it, even if it wasn't perfect, it still feels pretty darn good. So yeah, it's I'm just taking a break from getting all my stuff lined up, trying to do stuff around the house, trying to pack, trying to do some business stuff. I'm just kind of taking a break from business idea creation, just going through. And one of the things I really love is mind map. I don't know why, but it doesn't go as well. I can do it in like Notepad or Word or whatever, but just for some reason, seeing it in like a mind map format and mapping it out, I don't know. It just works better for me. It just gets the ideas percolating and the brain going and the keyboard humming. So when the keyboard's going, that usually means good things. So yeah, feels good. Really enjoying where we moved, this new house, a new neighborhood. It's been really good. We're finally kind of feeling like we're settling in and to the point where it's, we're making the place our own. We're unpacking and settling, versus having to do stuff every day, versus building a deck or going to buy this or having to replace this, or someone's coming by to work on this, so we gotta be home for that, or it's been a lot, but that's okay, because we like challenges, right? It's all about finding solutions to problems. So that's it. That's about all I got for this one here. Might actually try to record some episode while I'm on the road, or coming back from camping, maybe even while I'm camping. We'll see. I don't know if I can actually broadcast one live from the kayak itself, but who knows if I'm inspired, because my phone will probably be with me, just because I have a bunch of music on there. But I might just go for it. We'll see. But yeah, it's summertime. I'm looking forward to a little vacation time. It is time away from the business and relaxing, but it's also kind of like, figuring out what are new ideas, what are new directions, what do I want to do with the business, how, what's the business plan, what problem am I going to solve, what's my core offer going to be, all that kind of stuff. And I expect to both relax and be inspired at the same time while I'm out there on the water. So it'll be good. And I will tell you about it in the next episodes. Out.